Right, just a quickie. I've got a 1UZ TPS plug in front of me right here. Now, the colours alter in different years. Here's a whole loom, and you see this one's got a brown, sort of a green, a yellow, and a blue-red. This one's got a brown. It's got that blue-red, so they're pretty common there. But then the inside wires are different. It could be because this is the sub TPS. It's a possibility. Oh, no, just different years. Right. So what are we going to do, Eric? You're wiring your link. So this brown wire is for the sensor ground. There we go. So that's sensor ground, or 0 volt. That's pin 1. 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 pins. So the blue-red, that's for your 5 volt input. Now this is really easy for me to remember. The signal is always beside the 5 volt. So pin 3 is the signal. And the idle switch is beside the earth. So pin 2 is the idle switch. I actually often wire the idle switch into a DI, digital input, in the link ECU. There's a couple of things I might do with it, with different configurations if you guys want me to set up stuff, but that's the basics. You've got ground, idle switch, so if you're not using the idle switch, don't worry about it. Signal, which is vitally important, and your 5 volt right there.